Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Docs and creating a new document titled for your subject. First, set font size and line spacing to make scanning easy. You want clarity when you review. Once done, enable offline access so your notes sync automatically when you reconnect. Make sure you're signed into the right Google account. This prevents scattered files. Finally, create a simple header with date and topic so each session is trackable and searchable later. You now structure information using headings and bulleted lists to separate main ideas from details. This helps both scanning and navigation. As you capture content, insert links to sources and bookmarks to jump between sections. This saves time when studying. Use comments to flag questions or action items for later. Also, apply keyboard shortcuts to speed up entry. You'll work faster and stay in flow. Once a section is complete, add a concise summary line so you retain the core takeaway. You finish by reviewing in suggesting mode to accept or reject collaborative changes, then check version history to capture milestones. Once satisfied, share with appropriate permissions or export to PDF for offline distribution. Make sure to add tags or a consistent file name for quick retrieval. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by verifying internet connection and drive storage, then sign out and back in. Forcing a manual save often resolves sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.